Hi guys, it's me Charity Chinaza. I want to prepare my egusi soup, and please follow me. Let's prepare this egusi soup. So here is my egusi. This egusi looks so yum. Wow. And this is my palm oil. This is my uziza leaf. This is my okpeye. I don't know what they are calling it, but for Nsukka we call it oba. This is my salt. Here is my mango, and here is my crayfish. Here is my stockfish here, and my ugu leaf. I've already soaked it, so you need to put it more salt for it to wash all the sand inside. And here is my goat meat. Guys, can you imagine how much I bought this goat meat? Everything is very costly now, but shall we thank God. I've already prepared this my goat meat, so guys, follow me. Let's prepare this. Here is my pot. My water is already boiling, so I have to turn the egusi. So guys, I've finished turning my egusi. Some people use this thing, boiled water to turn their own egusi, but me I prefer using cold water. And some put oil inside their own egusi, but I prefer using it just like it. That's how my mother taught me. That's my mother. So guys, I beg. So guys, this is my egusi. I've already turned my egusi. Some people use red oil to do their own, but I prefer doing my own just like this. So let's go. Let's just put the egusi inside here. So guys, it's time for me to put my stockfish. I've already washed this stockfish already. I have to put it now. So I've also add my oil. And my okpeye Nsukka. This is the original okpeye Nsukka. I'll add it right now. And you have to cover your pot so that it will boil again. So here is my egusi, and I have to do it this way. I don't know how I'm going to call it, guys, but I have to do it this way. And here is the outcome of it. So let's put it inside. Then I now have to add my uziza leaf. When you put this uziza leaf, the scent too. I too love the scent. And also my yogurt. I have to add my yogurt right now. Then I'll turn it. Then add my Maggi. So let me put my crayfish and salt. Guys, right now I've almost forgot my my goat meat, so I have to put this my goat meat right now. But as I'm seeing my soup right here, so I'm seeing my soup right now. It's like it's watery right away, so I don't know that I should put this. I should put the water, but let me just check because the thing is now so watery. That's not my plan. And here is my grounded pepper, fresh one. So I have to put my pepper right now. Let me add pepper. I'm adding my pepper. This pepper is too hot. I don't have to add much so that my children will be able to eat this food. So guys, right now my soup is ready. You guys should go and bring your plate and also bring your bag because I'm not sharing with anybody. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.